It's choreographed by Rachael McEnaney. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 3 and a tag restart on wall 7, both after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where the restart happens and what the tag is, and then we're going to go around and dance 8 walls so that you know how everything flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn No Can Do. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a weave with a point, so we're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the side, cross your right behind your left, and point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to point our left toe across our right, point your left toe to the left side, cross your left over your right, and do a low kick forward with your right foot into the right diagonal. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left, we're crossing over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to cross our right behind our left, step our left foot to the left side, and we're going to do a crossing shuffle, right over left, cross right over left, left to the side, right over left. We're now going to do a 3/4 walk around with a shuffle. So you want to make sure this arcs on the floor. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a quarter shuffle forward over our left shoulder. You're going to step forward with your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and we're going to finish our shuffle, stepping our right next to our left foot forward, and you'll end facing 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We just kicked with our right. We're crossing behind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover onto our left, and do a right coaster step, right back, left together, right forward. We're now going to do 2 half pivots. We're going to step forward with our left foot, make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting weight onto your right to face 9 o'clock. Step forward with your left, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to return to 3 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Rocking coaster. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to stop forward with our left, and then we're going to do a kickball change with our right. Kick our right foot low and forward. Step your right next to your left. Step your left foot next to your right. We're now going to stomp forward with our right and do a left kickball change. Kick our left foot forward. Step our left next to our right. Right next to left. We're going to end the dance by stepping forward with our left foot and sweeping our right from back to front, ready to go into your weave. Let's try that last part with some counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're stomping with the left. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on that left foot. You're starting with your weave. Cross, side, behind, point, point across, point, side, cross, kick, behind, side, crossing shuffle, quarter, 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 shuffle, forward, rock, recover, coaster step, step, half pivot, step, half pivot, stomp, kickball, change, stomp, kickball, change, stomp, kickball, change, step, sweep. Let's try it with some counts. Weight's on that left foot. You're crossing over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. So now, let's talk about the restart and the tag. They are both going to be starting on your 6 o'clock facing wall. So for the restart, our 3rd wall is facing 6 o'clock. You're going to dance the first 16 counts of the dance, which is putting you up to your quarter shuffle forward. So let's dance up to that part, crossing over, cross, side, behind, point, touch across, touch side, cross, kick, behind, side, crossing shuffle, quarter, quarter shuffle forward. Right here, you will restart the dance doing wall 4 with your crossover. You'll then dance around again, returning to the back wall, and this will become wall 7. you're going to dance the same 16 counts to face the side. You would do your shuffle forward with your left. The tag is 4 counts. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, and as you do it, you're going to lift your right hand up like you're chugging a drink. You want to do that at the same time, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and as you do it for the 4th count, you want to make sure your weight is fully onto your left to start the dance all over again with your weave with a point. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 8 walls so that you can dance through that tag and know how it flows. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do our counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your weave with a point. Cross, side, behind, point, point across, point, side, cross, kick, behind, side, crossing, shuffle. Quarter, 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 shuffle, forward, rock, recover, coaster, step. Step, half pivot, stomp, stomp, kick, ball, change, stomp, kick, ball, change, step, sweep, weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 16 counts. Cross, side, behind, point, point across, point, side, cross, kick, behind, side, crossing, shuffle. Quarter, 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 shuffle, forward, restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, point, point across, point, side, cross, kick, behind, side, crossing, shuffle. Quarter, 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 shuffle, forward, rock, recover, coaster, step. Step, half pivot, stomp, kick, ball, change, stomp, kick, ball, change, step, sweep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 16 counts. Cross, side, behind, point, point across, point, side, cross, kick, behind, side, crossing, shuffle. Quarter, quarter, shuffle, forward, step to the side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn no can do. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.